How to enable gifts on your Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable gifts on Instagram. So Instagram just released a new feature called Instagram Gifts where you will be able to send gifts to your favorite Reels creators. So as this feature is in the beta version, it is only being tested within a small group of creators in the US as of now. So once they are done testing, this feature will be launched globally, and then you too, wherever you are on the world, you will be able to enable gifts on your Instagram. So to enable gifts, as soon as it is released, you will be taken to a page like this, or if you don't see this page, you'll have to go to your settings and then search for the option gifts. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on the option get started. After that, once you fill out all of the details, you will be taken to this page where it will say you can now receive gifts. Now, if your audience like your reels, they can simply send you gifts, and then once you receive gifts, you will be able to transfer that gift to a normal currency. So that is basically how you make money using Instagram and you enable gifts. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.